energizing the world. Sarel has been producing equipment and medium voltage switchboards for indoor and outdoor installation destined for the primary and secondary electrical distribution networks for 30 years. Today, the company has a prestigious international presence. In recent years, certain factors such as expansion, as well as the modernization of the electrical distribution networks in developing countries, and the production of electricity from renewable sources, have resulted in a considerable increase in the demand for electrical energy, and therefore for the equipment produced in the Sarel factories. With the objective of increasing productivity in the factories, improving working conditions, and therefore the quality of the product, the company has constantly invested in new generation machinery, thereby following the new industrial automation trends. The investments made and the improvements in the production lines have provided greater competitiveness to the equipment produced, promoting inclusion in new markets and the relative expansion of the commercial network. This has allowed Sarel to reach a high-standing position worldwide. To be able to achieve a high level of quality in the equipment produced, all the production processes of the critical components are part of the company's know-how. Starting with the raw materials, all the way to the final assembly and testing, the entire production chain is controlled directly in-house. Qualified technical and commercial staff guarantee complete support right from the bidding phase, managing the various requests and analysing the specific requests of the clients. The Research and Development Office uses the latest generation software to create 3D models, starting from the design of the prototype through to the creation of the finished product. State-of-the-art testing rooms located inside the factories make it possible to conduct specific tests on the equipment during the design phase in order to be able to achieve the best performance possible. In addition, the equipment produced before being marketed undergoes specific type tests at worldwide recognized laboratories. In the production plants of Arezzo and Niepołomice, the necessary components are produced for the assembly of the equipment, including resin components and structural works. In addition, there are assembly lines of products destined for specific markets. The Lodi factory produces, assembles and tests the switchboards for primary and secondary distribution up to 36 kilovolts, together with a vast range of equipment destined for installers and panel builders, including vacuum circuit breakers and SF6 switches for indoors and outdoors. Here, perfectly optimized production lines ensure high production capacity. A constant synergy between operator, machines and instruments makes it possible to reduce manual intervention, resulting in a significant increase in productivity. In the Sarel factories, we work with respect for the environment. In fact, the production sites have earned the ISO 14000 and ISO 9001 certifications to meet the growing demand of energy and protect the environment.